Hi everyone, welcome to Bikini Design Club once more. Today we will be sewing the sky bottom. We have our pattern already cutted. Never mind that I did a small change here in the front because this is for a client and she asked me to do a little bit slight adjustment, so I did, but never mind that. I will be using this fabric for my main fabric and white for my lining. So let's start by cutting our fabrics. Now that our pieces are all cutted, we have 4 backs, 2 fronts and our 4 straps. To start, we will pin the center back seam on the exterior fabric and also on the lining piece, and we will sew that area here and here. Since we are going to the sewing machine, let's also pin our front, right sides facing together. In this case it doesn't matter, my fabrics are plain. Use pins on both your leg holes. I'm not gonna do the top to make it easier for me, and I will explain later why. So my 2 sides and also my 4 straps. Let's get this ready and let's go to our sewing machine. Is ready now, but since I didn't change the color of my threads on my overlock, I'm going to my straight stitch machine. I'm gonna do a zigzag stitch in this seam because I don't want the white to be seen once this is on the correct side. So let's just do this. I don't do that in this because here I don't think it's bad to see the white. So let's just do this here and then we will be ready to continue. Now with our back pieces, right sides facing together, just place them right sides facing together and pin again like we did for the front. Pin on here, but this time also pin on top, so sides and top. Let's go over to the sewing machine and sew our sides and our top. So both our pieces are ready. So now let's reverse this with the loop turner to the correct sides. Let's place two straps on each side, aligning with the top seam, but inside, of course, the 2 of them. Don't forget to lean your seam towards your lining so it won't be seen once it's on the exterior fabric side. And we will pin and we will sew. While I was pinning, I was thinking about it, and there was an easier way to do this bikini bottom. Well, now that I've started, I'm gonna follow this through until the end. But it actually would have been easier if we've sewn like this, back with front and lining back with front, and then through the hole we would have done the straps on one side, and then through the hole we would pull and sew the straps on the other side. Well, but I don't know why I was not thinking about that method, but that's not the problem. We will do it anyway, and you will see me doing like this. If you want to see the other method, you can go to Alice with Straps video tutorial. I believe that I use that method, and since it's a front and a back with straps, you can see why I was telling you that we could have done this with that method. So my straps are secure. Let's trim the excess, don't forget to do a diagonal stitch to secure the threads from your overlock, and then trim. And please don't forget also, do not cut your straight stitch line threads, so that this will not all unfold. We can pin our top front piece and sew it. When I told you not to do it, it's because I was thinking on the other method I told you before. So never mind, you can sew it. You may be asking why I never start with elastic. This is just because I don't want the edges to be too bulky, and the elastic, it contributes to that bulkiness in the end. So I always start by sewing a little bit without elastic, and I finish a little bit without elastic also, always. Now we just need to insert our back piece on our front piece, align straps on one side and on the other, align the crotch, and sew on the 3 places. That's what I'm going to do now. We are now ready to sew our side straps and also the crotch area. So let's go to our sewing machine and do this. So our bottom is almost ready, but keep with me until the end, because I will finish the bottom doing the special stitch to close the hole. So follow me, don't go away yet. I'm going to trim as I always do, as you know that I always do. But before that, I'm going to reinforce a little bit here, because I'm going to open the hole to reverse it to the correct side here. So I'm going to do the diagonal as I always do, and we'll be back. Done. So now we can trim all the excess threads and fabric. So our bottom is done. As you can see, the finishes are quite nice near the straps and where the straps connect to the main part of the bottom. So I believe this will be very good on my friend and client in this case. So now we just need to close the hole. So how do we close the hole? You need a needle with a knot in the end. I think I will have a separate video on how to do this, but if you want to keep with me now, just follow these steps. So I insert let me do a zoom. I hope I keep in the image. So insert your needle inside so that your knot is hidden, and then place it like if it was ready. Now we are on the pink side, so go over just in front to the white and go inside the white for about 3 millimeters or 4. Then you are on the white side, come straight forward, straight in front, enter the pink, move to the side like 3 millimeters and pull. Now we are on the pink, go to the opposite side, the white one, go inside 3 millimeters, outside again. Now cross over to the pink again, 0.5 centimeter. Okay, so we now have closed the hole. If we want to make sure that this is nice and neat, we can do the same again to the other side. That's what I will do, but will not keep filming, and then follow me to see the final stitch. So to finish it, when you are doing your last stitch, just go with your needle in the middle of your line. Then I'm gonna put it on my table. I'm going to tie a knot very close there. And now I will go inside the fabric with my needle. I will come out a little bit far away, like here. I will pull, cut, and that's it. And it's done. It's closed. And our piece is ready. So I'm going to share with you the result. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep following for more YouTube tutorials. Bye!